Here is your 400-word YouTube video note exactly as you requested, without any quotation marks, headings or notes. The Challenger 3 MBT 3D wooden puzzle is a masterpiece for anyone who loves military engineering and detailed DIY projects. This advanced British tank kit brings the legendary power of the Challenger series into a beautiful matte finish wooden model that looks stunning once completed. Every piece in this kit is laser cut with precision, giving you a smooth experience while assembling and ensuring that the final shape truly resembles a real modern battle tank. Whether you are a puzzle fan, a tank enthusiast or someone who enjoys creative craftsmanship, this model delivers a mix of fun, challenge and satisfaction. The design includes an upgraded turret, realistic armor structure and smooth rolling wheels, allowing you to admire the engineering behind the Challenger 3. The matte finish color gives it a premium display look that makes it perfect for desks, shelves and showcases. This DIY kit not only tests your patience but also enhances your focus and problem-solving skills. It is a great gift for kids and adults who enjoy mechanical models or want to try something new. Once assembled, the tank stands strong with a striking presence, showing off its sharp edges and clean detailing that reflects the beauty of British armored technology. Talking about its specs, the puzzle usually consists of multiple wooden sheets with pre-cut pieces that you simply push out and join together following the instructions. No glue or tools are normally required, making it easy and clean to build. The final model feels durable and lightweight thanks to the high-quality wood. The turret can rotate smoothly and the body structure is designed to stay firm even after long use. The details on the exterior replicate the iconic styling of the Challenger 3, which makes it more than just a toy, it becomes a collectible display item for your room or studio. Overall, this 3D wooden puzzle is a satisfying project that engages your mind and gives you a high-quality model at the end. If you are someone who loves tanks or creative models, then this kit is definitely worth trying. It adds beauty, style and a touch of military history to your collection. You are watching Auto Insider, the place where we bring unique reviews, creative DIY models and detailed automotive content for all enthusiasts. Make sure to support the channel and do not forget to subscribe at the end of the video.